How to start trades with your crypto flow bots. How to activate trades. Guys, welcome back once again to Crypto Income Daily. So this video is just for educational and informational purposes only, and it's not meant to be financial advice. Thank you. So today in this short video, I want to show you how to execute your trade. I am assuming you have what? Subscribed, you have created your account, your crypto flow bot, you have subscribed to the bot, and you have done your Binance API binding. If you have come here and you can see your balance, maybe on futures or on spot, and you have seen your balance, then you are set to activate your trade. What you need to do here is you have to go to your Binance account or app. Make sure you have moved your USDT to your futures if you want to trade, or the bot to trade on futures for you, or to your spot if you want the bot to trade on spot for you, or both. Maybe you have split your funds, 50, some to spot, some to futures, and the bot can trade for you. You do that. So if I come here, for example, this you come to assets on your Binance. Okay, maybe most of your money will be in your spot. If it's on your spot, you tap on spot, and maybe if by then if the USDT is here, you find it. Okay, I don't have my USDT there. Okay, you then click on transfer. You click on transfer, and then you want to you see the from spot to funding. So you want to tap on funding. You are not changing to funding. So you want to transfer from spot to futures. I'm assuming that you want to transfer to futures. Then you click on USDM futures. That's what you would do. Then the USDT down there, you just click on max, and then you confirm transfer. Everything will be sent there, okay? Or if it's also on your funding wallet, you have to click on funding, okay? You click on funding, for example, and then this is the USDT, for example, you click on USDT. Then you click on transfer here, and you see that from funding to, you click on the spot and select USDT. USDM futures. You select that and you click on max, okay? Then you click on confirm transfer. Then you are done. So once you are done, you then go over to your bot. Guys, the minimum to trade with the bot on your Binance is 50 USDT. But you recommend at least 100 USDT, okay? Now that you have transferred your funds to your futures or your spot, you come to your bot. And if it's futures you want to trade, if your futures you have transferred the funds to on your Binance, you make sure it is on futures in this case. If it's spot, you make sure you switch to spot, okay? I'm trading futures, okay? What happens is that this thing by default, it will be off like this. Now, this is where you execute the trade. We have what we call something here, go auto futures. And we have what we call strategy. Now, if your trading capital on your Binance, the futures, if the amount you want to trade with is less than $300, meaning if your capital is 50, 60, 100, 200, 290, whatsoever, you have to just come and click on go auto futures, okay? That is all. You click on go auto futures. It is done. The bot has taken over. The bot is going to manage everything, including the leverage, DCA, sizing, stop loss, parameters, everything. You have nothing to do. Your bot is set up like that easily. That is what you have less than $300 on your Binance to trade. You just turn it on. That is all. But if you have $300 and above, maybe you have $500, okay? Maybe you have $1,000. That's where you can come to strategy. With that, you have to click on this to turn this off, the go auto go. Then you come here to strategy. Once you're on strategy, you see that we have partitions, strategy partitions. We have $100, we have $200 or whatsoever. If your capital is maybe 300, 500 and above going, you will click on the $100 strategy. Okay, here you will need, you see this says you need 81 more because my amount I'm trading currently is not up to that. That's what is not highlighted. But if you have $300 and above, this $100 is what you will be able, it is clickable. You click on it. Once you click it, it will be highlighted, it will be chosen. Then you come down and make sure the long position, you turn it on. Okay, toggle it on. Now it is on ready. Short, make sure it is on. Then also you come down here to dollar DCA, smart DCA, make sure it is also on like this. You turn it on. And then you come here to both post, you have to turn it on. Okay, both post, you turn it on. But because my trading capital is less than the amount, that's why the $100 is not clickable. So it's that simple, guys. Then the bot will take over everything. Okay, so I'm going to turn my thing on back to go auto features. But if you have applied a strategy, you will see if you come here, it will not be what? Go auto features. Let me show you how it's going to look like. So after you select a strategy and you turn it on, this is how it's going to be like. Okay, it's going to be custom mode run strategy. So it's that simple, guys. So that is it. So let me go and turn on my Go Auto Futures. I'll click this and turn it on because my trading capital is less than $300. So now you see now it is full Auto Futures running. Now, if you were to do spot 2 again, you click on spot. If you have some funds in your spot, and if it's less than $300, you can also click on Go Auto Spot. You turn it on. But if it's also $300 and above, you can go to strategy and do what I told you. Okay, so it's that simple. And guys, this bot is just life changing. Get back to the person that shared this video with you and join with them. But if you are watching by yourself on YouTube, check in the comment section for my link. And also join our WhatsApp group. The link is in the comment section.